Hello guys, how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes error while updating your Windows 11 and 10 PC. While you try to update your Windows 11 and 10 PC, then such type of message appear on your screen. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is go to settings of your Windows system. Right click on start button and choose settings. Go to system and here go to troubleshoot. And here click on other troubleshooters and here run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Let the window complete the updating procedure. It will check in detecting problems, diagnose your problems and fix the issue related to your Windows Update settings. Your device is missing some important and quality and fixes error. So wait for some times. It will diagnose your system, detecting problems and resolving problems as well. And check whether your Windows Update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to Windows Search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute the Windows Update components as shown on screen one by one. Net stop, first execute one by one all this command path in command prompt Windows and press enter on each time. And these all command path will also available in my videos description. You may copy from there. So execute this 4 command first, thereafter execute these 2 commands one by one and followed by enter key on each time. All these command path will also available in my description of video and you may copy from there and paste it in command prompt Windows. After that, execute all these 4 commands to start. Earlier we have stopped alt, now we will start it. These all are Windows Update components you must run on your system. And after that, check whether your Windows Update error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows Search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute DISM tool and SFC scan now command. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, DISM online restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one followed by enter key on each time. It will scan your system and restore your system health. After that, execute SFC/scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly, and your Windows Update error code will be resolved